My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary alerts that come from the website Lupod.live. This Lupod.live is a malicious and truly deceptive site. It claims that your system is infected with 3 viruses, but the trouble is that all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They are not related to any decent security software. They are not related to Apple or Microsoft. So if you see these pop-ups by Lupod.live, you should not interact with them. Just don't trust their deceptive and fake alerts. Such pop-ups try to encourage its visitors into actually downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups on your screen, disregard them. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware. I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best solution to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these 3 free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.